Downhill, see the Popane Tirth. Boy, let's go. Let's do some downhill.
Right. Yes, go.
Vlog of 2026 with my new bike and with my MTB friends. We have come to Saripalla, full of off-roading. Road to lench undandu. First time popini. Podi yavandu. But poi. Let's do it, shabash. Moglu por encha bo pertule. Enku podige undenna first day first show on such roads. Devna the tirtantu batte fast poire nanala daireji. But I'll do it. Oh car la vattandi. Swami devre. Ola andale and fast podu car baidi ittanondati. Let's go. Super unde mulo. Saripalla, it is Saripalla. Oh my god, nanala undige. Cheers, I made it.
Enku second one free ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅಮೆಜಾನ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಂಕು ರೆಡ್ ಬೈದನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಬಂದೆ ಹೌದಾ ಅಮೆಜಾನ್
John, you want to go? Yeah, boy, I'm scared, man. Oh ma. Yeah. Now that's why I'm going slow. Wow. Amazing view. Super hapundi. ಒಂದು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ ಐಕೆ ಅಂತ ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಪೋಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಮೊಕಲು ಬರ ಪಾರ್ ಅಂದು ಪೋಪೇರು. ವಾವ್, ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್. Amazing place. I'm loving it. No words to express. So wow. See, if you run, you have to run within the city, or you have to go in your vehicle, come to this place and then run. But if you are cycling, you can come on your cycle and you can go wherever you want. See, that's the beauty of cycling, man. You can go wherever you want and whenever you want, and also depends on the type of your cycle. But yes, wow, crazy. Dinesh here. Sohan. Ahan. Iham. It's hard to pronounce. I'll get used to it. And where are we? Saripalla Peak. Look at this. They have already spoiled half of the nature here. See, they are taking out red stones, which is basically used for construction. But anyways, we'll ignore that and we'll look at this view. Wow, amazing, fantastic. What's the time now? 7, huh? Subah ke 7 baje? 7:20 and not 4:20. Very good. Let's go. Wonderful location. Off-roading malparittada mool barodi. Amazing place for off-roading, definitely. Ole encha untule jage. Don't you find this place crazy? Oh, Dinesh is doing photography for us. Thank you. Videography. Anchi podige. Pirau. Anchi. Wow. Hooray. What jolly. Fantastic. I think worth it. ಒಂದು ಸೈಕಲ್ ದೈತೋ ನೈಕ್ಲ ಸಾರ್ಥ ಕಾಂಡೆ ಓಲ್ಲ ಬೋಲಿನೆಟ್ ಬೂರೆ ಬಲ್ಲಿ ಆತೆ ಬೂಂಡ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಹಾಪಡೋ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್. Dinesh and Chanwell, come on. Bird, Reds boy, bega. Come out level, bega. Boy. I think they play cricket here, I don't know. Yeah. They do? Huh?
The local suspension.
Oh man.
Even that bike is hybrid.
Correct. People have reached Saripalla. Tule mulu. Plastic bottles again, beer bottles. Undu jage and alla dile mare edde reeti tule. Board avundu mata. Check. ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಆವಿಡು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಮ. Downhill now. Let's do it. God is great. God save us. Pray to your favorite God and let's do it. Distance.
I'm gonna come at last.
Yeah.
Take a video of me.
Yeah, I'll do. Descend now. Oh, village road. Beautiful road in fact. Wow. Looks amazing. పోయి నమ్మ పోయి ఎడ్డ ఆపుండి ఏమో అంత నాట్ బ్యాడ్ ఎడ్డ రోడ్లో ఉండు టాప్ మాత్రం ఫుల్ కళ్ళు మಣ್ಣు బండి ఎత్తాడు మూలు డాంబర్ రోడ్ హై చలో జీ ఫుల్ డౌన్ హిల్ we are going to the highway via Nirmarga.
There is a huge climb.
Where? Here? Yeah, let's see. As in good road or bad road?
It is a huge climb.
Oh shit.
Worse than the one we had in.
I mean off road?
No.
Climb, okay. Hey, break it. Yeah, you should fix your brakes, man.
Morning I tried to fix it. It didn't fix.
He should put skates. For or emotion, see, village roads are always the best. Look at this, so much greenery around. Wow, and the sun is out, and also a railway track. We need to cross this. I think we are almost near the highway now, near Sahyadri College of Engineering. Very nice. Let's do it. Here is the railway track, and there you go. You just crossed the track. Congratulations. Comfortable, right? Yeah, let's go. King of Mangalore roads, JCB is here. Nama old pondala JCB onji tikkundu mare. Best business ye. Edde ja kasu alpada onji redde JCB detonle. Oka budle road udu. Etla gundi deppere pon gudlat. Tole pidannu gundi deppe. Avadi. Okay, cyclists are waiting here, and so is a JCB. Varga, aite boli. Shabash. JCB pondo. Very good. Highway go batta. Almost near Padil. Padil. Rates poi. Wonderful experience. Then MTB cycle first day, first show. See the Saripalla good day mittarne mara. Wow, jolly atungatune. Ondu cycle road ponaga taapuji gammat. But off-roading wow, ultimate. You know, it touches your soul. Oh, ಶೂದ ಸೋಲತ್ತು ಇರ್ನ ಜೀವದ ಸೋಲು ಉಲಯಪಣ ತಂಜಿ ಅವು ಹಂಸು ಬರೈತಂಗೆ ಪೂರ ರೈದೇರು ಸಪಾಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಒಟ್ರಾಸಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತು ಅವಂದಿತ್ತನಿಗೆ ಸೊ ದ ಹಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ಗಾನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಂಕ್ಲ ಕಾಸಿಡೆ ಪಾಡ್ನು ಎಂಕ್ಲ ಕಾಸಿಡೆ ದೆಪ್ಪುನು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಬೂರು ನಮನೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ದ ಖರ್ಚಿಲ್ಲ ನಮನೆ ತಗೋಡು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ರೋಡ್ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಲ್ರಾಯ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ